I'm Courtney Shears. I am the Director of Patient Care Services at Ascension Mercy Hospital. So not only will they learn how to be a really great CNA and see all these different illnesses and diagnoses, different procedures, different tests, they can also see different areas of the hospital. Basically, whatever the interest is, they can explore that opportunity before fully committing to a college career or a tech career.
Hi, I'm Destiny Portman. I'm a senior at Oshkosh West High School. I also work as a CNA at Mercy Ascension, and I have been with the Youth Apprenticeship program for 2 years now. My favorite thing I've learned is that all the jobs here, because each doctor comes up hey, you want to shadow? And I'm like, yes, please, so I can learn more about my future job and what I want to do. I've learned how to work in a hospital environment, fast-paced, and I learned the terminology that I'm going to have to be using in my future.
So my name is Carolyn Kerkhof. I went to Oshkosh West High School. I graduated in 2018. I am currently going to UW Oshkosh for nursing. Well, when I first started the Youth Apprenticeship, I wasn't quite sure if I was able to be a nurse, or I wasn't very confident in that. So with the experience, I was able to determine that this was something that I wanted to do. Yeah, this is something I am good at and something that I enjoy doing. But it also kind of helped me to figure out what kind of nursing I want to do.
A youth apprenticeship student would really act the same way as a regular CNA on our floor. So they would they would help patients with ADLs, activities of daily living, doing hands-on care with the patient, and then reporting the information that they gather up to the nurse. So they work side by side, CNA and a nurse. And there's a lot of different, there's many different CNAs and nurses on the floor, so it's working with a team of people. But we definitely assign a mentor and sometimes even 2 or 3 mentors for that student, so that they definitely have somebody that they can always go to ask a question.
I think my youth apprenticeship experience has prepared me for future plans because I do want to work in a hospital, and this way I can look around, see if I like the environment, and if I like what the doctors do, so then I can narrow down my choices.
Every day at work I would come in and I would see something new, or I would learn something new. And that's probably one of my favorite things about the apprenticeship, is that I got that experience and I got to see so many different things about nursing.
One of my favorite things about working here is that my patients really like me. They see it as a surprise that I'm a high school student, so I'm glad I get to kind of break the stereotype that all high school students are lazy and stuff. And they also give me job opportunities because they want me to come and work for them if they really like me. So it even broadens my opportunities more. So the Youth Apprenticeship program has prepared me for my future by when I got the opportunity to work down in the ER as just a rub and turn kind of person. So then I realized I really liked what those physicians did down there. So now I know I want to go to the biological sciences in Minnesota and further my career in emergency medicine.